Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to discuss with you human development, the meaning concepts and approaches. Every living creature is called to become what it is meant to be. The caterpillar is meant to become a butterfly, a seed into a full grown herb, bush, or tree, and a human baby into a mature person. The person who is fully alive, the glory of God, in the words of Saint Irenaeus. How this development happens is what we learn in our biology class. We have seen it to be a fantastic process. So wonderful a process that we can't help but experience a feeling of awe for the power of the force of, or the principle. Okay? So that the one who's behind all this is God. The process of development involves beginnings and endings. What was this organism then? What will this organism be? A number of researches on human development have been conducted. A lot of theories on human development have been forwarded. Researches on human development continue as existing theories get corrected, complemented, or replaced. Up to the present, several issues on human development are unresolved, and so the search for explanations continue. So, in this module, we will be acquainted with human development as a process, the developmental tasks that come along with each development stage, and the relevant issues that are raised about human development. So, let's talk about the objectives. So, what are the learning outcomes after having discussed this module? So by the end of the module, you should be able to define human development in your own words and distinguish between the traditional and the lifespan approach of development. Okay, so let me begin discussing with you the two approaches of human development. Okay, so the two approaches to human development is the traditional approach, and the other one is the, sorry for the typo error here, but it is a traditional approach and the lifespan development. Sorry about that, just listen very closely. Okay, so again, there are two approaches to human development: the traditional approach and the lifespan approach. If you believe that children will show extensive change from birth to adolescence and have little or no change in adulthood and decline in late old age, then your approach to development is traditional. In contrast, if you believe that even in adulthood developmental change takes place as it does during childhood, then your approach is termed lifespan approach. Now, what are the characteristics of human development from a life span perspective? So, we will talk about it one by one. The first characteristic of human development from a lifespan perspective is that development is lifelong. So, when you say, by the way, lifespan perspective, is that you believe that changes take place even in adulthood. It does not only take place during childhood, but you believe that even in adulthood, there are developmental changes that occur. While ang usa, you believe that if you are having this traditional approach to development, you believe that at a certain age, we stop developing, we stop growing. Okay? But let's discuss more on the lifespan approach to development. So the first characteristic of human development from a lifespan perspective